And then suddenly, the scale is getting really, really huge up. This is a big project in the Middle East, and finally it was stopped. But I really like this project, so I'll show you. And I'm now looking for the client, so that is why I will show this. This is a really huge. The length of the site is 1 kilometer. Suddenly, it's really amazing. And then in the Middle East, so different climate, strong sunlight and hot air to make a huge shopping area. So finally, we designed this. We have a tower, 100-meter high, 7, 8 towers, and each tower, it has a huge void inside, like this, to make it like a natural ventilation tower. So the cool air is coming in on the bottom, and then the hot air is going up. So the environmental or the climate device are created. Of course, it is a shopping areas. So this big void is making a nice, break for the shopping people. If it is just a long, homogeneous 1 kilometer shopping street, it's really boring. So we have one break, and then focusing on the shopping, and then another break. So that kind of experiences, or the rhythm of the experiences, are created. And of course, this 100-meter tower is working as a landmark. But the most important things is, as you can see, whole structures is made by this arch shape and circular shape. The repetition of these whole structures are creating a nice, proper sunshade from the strong sunlight. So straightforward to create the climate architecture in it. And then finally, as you can see, the layering of this structure is so amazingly making a complex patterns and then blocking the sunlight and bring the beautiful shadows of the sunlight, particles of the sunlight coming in. So that is the main ideas for us, to create the architectures to control the sunlight, or not just to control, but to create the showers of the sunlight. So in here, this is a one void area, and you will see how the repetition of the grids are so densely created, and the glass line is set back from the surface. So all the surface are covered by the nicely sunshade. And this is amazing point is, the shape is arch, so it seems a bit, like oriental or some unique shape, but the whole system is completely the same as the first project, Serpentine, the repetition of the grids. Yeah, if you take out this arch shape, then it is just a repetition of the grids, but the result or the scale is so different. So from one simple ideas, the first one, the Serpentine Pavilion, is more physical communications, or more, the cloud-like, soft things. And then this one is so expanding to the 1 kilometer size, and then to create really dynamic spaces. And of course, could work as a sunshade. It's really practical as well. Of course, beautiful enough. And this is like another void areas. We put the water on it, and put a board on it to make, something really crazy, because we thought, yeah, this is in the Middle East, so we can do everything. Okay, put the waters, bring the boats, and the spectacular things, and the beautiful sunlight coming in. But finally, yeah, I understood that everything is not possible. It stopped. Suddenly, everything is gone. But still, yeah, as you can see, it's really beautiful. A simple system, but unexpectedly dynamic and spectacular spaces is happening, but still relating to the climate conditions and the local cultures. So every time that kind of communications or conversations with the local new situations, local cultural background is quite exciting to think about what is new for me, or what we have been doing, and what we now get it, and then what we transform or recreate what we have been doing. And then something new, unexpected things, even for me, is happening. That was quite an amazing project, but of course, unfortunately, it was stopped. But I really love it. And here in Singapore, I think, again, I believe kind of everything is possible, maybe. So I'm seriously looking for the client to realize it. Yeah, just 1 tower, 2 towers is okay, not necessary to be 1 kilometer. Anyway,